Hey my lovelies, this is Matulu and today I'm showing you how to prepare some fritters. Now these are vegetable fritters. You can use any vegetables that are listed on the Alkaline Nutritional Guide. Now here you can see chayote, bell peppers, squash, onions, spring onions to be precise, lots and lots of fresh thyme, Celtic sea salt, pimento spice, and natto, which is optional. For this recipe, I encourage you to use a food processor so that you get a nice fine texture, but you don't want it to be mushy. White spelt is cool, but kamut is best. A little bit of carbonated water, that's optional. You can use still water, it's up to you. Give it a nice thorough mix. I decided to add some more habanero because it wasn't spicy enough. Now you can totally omit the spice, but I do encourage you to use a little bit of the habanero or scotch bonnet. So you can just fry them on both sides until they're golden brown as such. Now what I did here for my daughter was just pair this with some nice steamed fonio, which is your white rice alternative. If you want to learn more about that, get the cookbook, Cook with Matulu, where I show you how to prepare the white rice alternative. We've paired it with some coleslaw, some mushroom stew. You can get Cook with Matulu in physical form, as you're seeing here, or ebook. Use code Matulu12 via matulu.co.uk.